Okay, so if we want to be able to rank our content in search engine results, one of the first things we have to understand is how the search engine results page works, how it's set up, what are the different components that make up the search engine results. In this lesson, we're only going to focus on Google really, since that's where 95% of users are when it comes to search engines. So let's just do a sample Google search here for Bluetooth headphones, and see what we get. Okay, so here we're looking at the search engine results page, and this is really where a lot of the action is happening if you work in search. Not that exciting, I understand, but it is exciting if you understand the impact of what ranking highly in search does for your business. So not that surprising when we look at Bluetooth headphones and headsets, the very first ranking here underneath the paid ads is Amazon, right? Amazon has lots of Bluetooth headphones. And as we go down the search, you'll notice some really kind of like blue chip companies here. You see Amazon, you see Best Buy, Walmart. It's who you would expect if you were going to buy Bluetooth headphones. Interestingly, we also have People Also Ask. This People Also Ask box, these top reviewed headphones, these are what we call enhancements. There are different features within the search engine results that are different than just a basic organic listing here. Understanding these enhancements is important because, above the fold, we only see 3 organic results here, whereas normally we'd see a lot more if you didn't have all these enhancements. So it's important to know what's on the actual page that you want to rank for. And, if you can't beat out Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart, then maybe it's not even worth trying to rank for a specific query. As we go down, we have a couple more interesting things. Another listing from Walmart, some research if you want to look at like PC Mag, Tech Radar, some review companies that review electronics. There's also this map pack here that shows local places where you might be able to buy these things if you want to go buy headphones today in store, as well as you can refine by style. So all of these different enhancements that we're seeing within Google search are unique and different than just these basic organic listings. And it's important to know because they take up some of the space on the search engine results page. So, if these enhancements bump your actual result, your listing of your website for Bluetooth headphones to page 2, you're going to see a lot less traffic. So that's really important to understand before you start creating content to rank for a specific keyword. Now, what's interesting to me is you see these companies that you've heard of, a lot of companies that you would expect, like Walmart, Best Buy, and Amazon. You see a couple others though. You see GearBest. I don't know much about GearBest. I assume they review gear basically. You also see SoundGuys.com. I don't know the Sound Guys personally, but I would guess their website has a lot to do with audio engineering for audiophiles, people that are really interested in getting great sounding quality tech. So what's interesting about those listings is those aren't companies that, tons of people have heard of like Amazon and Walmart, but those websites have specific expertise on this subject of Bluetooth headphones. So as you look at the search engine results, keep in mind that Google's not just looking for who is the most well-known company on this list. I don't see Target on this list, but I would guess Target sells Bluetooth headphones. Google's looking for trustworthiness and also authority on a specific subject. So because GearBest and because Sound Guys have lots of other quality content on the subject of Bluetooth headphones, that's some of the reasons that they're ranking highly in search. So it's not just having the biggest, most well-known website. Obviously, you want to build a brand, that's important. But it's this acronym of EAT, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, EAT. And Google says that that's what it is using to determine how you rank. And to rank well, you have to understand what each one of those letters of that acronym really stands for and how to show expertise, authority, and trustworthiness to Google. And that's what we'll do in section 1. So in our very first section, we'll learn how to speak Google's language. And then we'll learn basically what it sees about our website. And finally, in the last section, after we've learned the basics and we know how to talk to Google, we'll build a content strategy, a comprehensive content strategy.